First things first is download all your files that you need, which you should probably have them all by now. And go ahead and install your Java SE Development Kit 6, which is right here. You can download that from My4Shared. Sent you the link. Alright, right click on it. Run as administrator. The wizard will pop up. Accept. Next. I'm going to go ahead and shut the video off while this is doing it. It takes a few minutes. Alright, right click on your SDK installer. Run as administrator. Next. Go ahead and hit finish. Now, when you run the Android SDK manager, this is all that you need to be check marked. The Android 3.0, just for future. Android 2.3.3, all that. All that. And the Android 2.2, everything underneath it. Android 2.1, all the files underneath it. And then everything in the extras folder. So if you minimize every folder, that would need to be check marked. Everything in those folders, so all the sub files in there, need to be check marked. Okay. Then go ahead and well, you can minimize this. Alright, and then go ahead and run install 26 packages. And I already have them installed, so I won't show you that, but I just want to show you that that's all that needs to be check marked. Otherwise, if you check mark everything on that list, it will take forever to download. It's a lot of files. So, yeah. Alright, and when the Android SDK manager is all done, it should look like that. It'll tell you everything's installed and what's not installed. Everything should be fine. Go ahead and exit out of that. Now, you're going to want to change your environment variables. To do that, right click on Computer, Properties, click on Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables, and at the very bottom box, scroll down until you see Path. Okay, there's already, and then Edit, of course. Now, there's already stuff there, which is okay. You're going to want to add just this part. Where is that? There it is. There. Just that part to the end of that, and then click OK, and then click OK down here too. OK, and then OK. Exit that. Alright then. Alright, the easiest way to get those Droid Razor utility files onto the root of your hard drive is just right click on the zip file, extract files, and a window will pop up. Okay, go ahead and Click that. Destination path, just make it C:/ is all you need. Okay. Or you could just click right here, just click local disk. And hit OK. And then they should all just be extracted. Take the Droid Razor patch, the utility patch file, right click, extract files. Click on the root of your C drive, which is your hard drive. Hit OK. Now, it'll say that a lot of the files already exist. Just hit yes to all, and it'll be that quick because it's not that big of a file. Alright, now make sure your phone, after your computer is all set up, is not plugged in. Okay, make sure US debugging is checked. Make sure the unknown sources is checked. Make sure the allow mock locations is checked. Alright, and if that's all good and everything's done, go ahead and enter your bootloader, which is that white text on the black background. So power down, and then hold down your 2 volume keys and hit the power until that menu pops up, and go ahead and use your volume key to scroll down and select APB fast boot. Alright, now while it's running that fast boot, just let it do its thing, and then your phone will do its thing, the computer will do its thing, and whatnot. You know what to look for. But anyways, after the fast boot, you'll get that fucking like right after the fast boot, you're gonna want to do the thing where the fucking little triangle fucking thing pops up. Alright. It's just holding down both the volume keys right after fast boot, I think, worked, or whatever you did. And then you'll get into the Android system recovery. Go down to wipe cache, and then reboot your phone. And once again, once your phone is rebooted, turn on your debugging, turn on your unknown sources, your mock locations, and so on and so forth. And then yeah, you can go ahead and run your option 2, the root for 2.3.6. Your phone will reboot. Then go ahead and run option 4, which is your Voodoo's over-the-air fucking app thingy. And yeah, then you go ahead and run option 5, which is Bootstrap Recovery app, and run that Bootstrap Recovery app from your Android, and install your custom recovery. And let's see here. And once the custom recovery is installed, you can go ahead and boot into recovery if you want to. You don't have to do it now. You can do it later if you want to, but if you're just gonna want to do it now, because with me, later never comes. I always fucking forget. So you want to go ahead and get into your custom recovery. So boot into your recovery from the Bootstrap Recovery app itself. And yeah, go ahead and go down to restore and back up, and back it up, and shit, I don't know. you should be good to go. You might want to just, once your phone reboots and everything, you might want to go ahead and download that what the fuck is it, the root checker app, and make sure you have root and everything's good with BusyBox and whatnot. And if you have that's only if you have any problems. If you don't have any problems, then fuck it, you don't need to. You'll know if you're rooted or not, you big boy. So yeah, I suppose that's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll make sure I send the bill in the mail. Alright, I take cash, credit card, stuff and other stuff and more stuff. But anyway, I say good day.